continues his good work with 4 overs. 11 runs. Cover point, short fine leg, short extra cover. In deep, sweeper cover, long off, long on, deep mid and deep square leg. Here we go, super overtime. Short delivery, straight away, change of length.
Good start from Daniel. Just a bit too quicker for Habibur Sohan. That brings...
It's hard to sight the ball. Remember, the bowler has been fresh, coming off a recent over. That's why they say it's very important to warm up.
Gone are the days, Salman, but when we used to play, you get out, early shower, no more, because in white ball cricket, super over is on. You got to be switched on.
I think when I was playing, there was a super over, so taken me like a decade back.
Salman is not too old, Mara.
That's something to debate about. We'll talk about it later. Bounce again. Ahmed Danial backpedals and takes it. Very good catch of his own bowling. The momentum is going so forward as the follow through puts the break, runs back and takes an easy catch.
He is a wonderful athlete. He just bowled it, the hard length, the extra effort ball, giving less time to Saqlain, who tried to go big, understandably, and didn't get any timing. And as you just mentioned, putting the brakes on, running back and completing a decent catch.
Yeah, banking on his strength, Ahmed Danial. Even the first ball that he bowled, banged into the length. Once again, too good for Saqlain. He completes a very good catch in the end. Saqlain departs without troubling the...
Jan Alam, the last man in. Down the leg side, Nazi Gori got an hand, but just not good enough. Rubbing
Danial down the leg side, wide, 5 runs. Pressure, that's pressure, Salman.
No need to change, not at all. There's a fresh batter coming in who wasn't expecting to bat 10 minutes go back in time, and now you just want to change your length. Not the right idea. And the keeper, well, he has had a tough time in the last 2 games.
Tailing down the leg side, hint of reverse swing on the 4th toss stump to finish swinging around middle stump. Much better and clean bowls him. Length delivery, probably Jishan Alam.
Outside the off stump, and that length, once again the hard length, brings the undoing of Jishan, and the Bangladesh innings is over.
Yeah, 3 balls to go. Bangladesh are done. Both their wickets are gone. Jishan Alam must have thought that he should have played that for a single. Maybe Bangladesh should bat those first over, that 6.
And just phase 1 delivery. That was the downfall for Bangladesh. Abubur Rahman got a single from the first ball. 7 runs with 2 wickets in hand. Same question for you, Maza. Millions watching this.
So the news is just Mas Sadakat and Saad Masood both gonna come out and
see how they go about. They just need 7 to win.
I think it's a very good. Ripon, more point and extra cover. Here comes Ripon. Yorker straight away, bang on the money. Could be going down the leg side. The umpire will signal for a leg bye.
Yeah, what a start. Pretty much
in the slot, running to speedy stroke. Direct it would have had him. His excellent cricket. That was excellent by full toss. Fine leg in the circle. That's a dangerous line to bowl. And Saad Masood, the good pace of that. That went like a bullet to the boundary. And Sufyan Mukim, he has to remember there's 1 more run to be made.
that is excitement. He ran as if Pakistan had won.
Oh, inside edge and misses the stumps. And with that, Pakistan Shaheens wins it in the super over. They become the only side to win this particular talent, Maza.
Yeah, they should keep their head high. The never give up mentality was something remarkable from the Bangladesh ace.
Habibur wonderful additions to the Bangladesh cricket, along with Ripon. Mehrob did his part. Ripon was held their nerve, kept their cool, kept the environment going, and the boys, well, they fought back.